Assistant, welcome to TechLab on neeraj.qzz.io. When organizations decide to grow, be it through merging with or acquiring a new company, one of the first tasks that come into play is the migration of their respective Office 365 tenants. This transition is not just about moving emails and information, it's about preserving workflows, maintaining accessibility, and, most importantly, avoiding significant downtimes that could hamper business activities. Picture this: two companies, Alpha Corp and Beta Incorporated, decide to merge. Both their Exchange Online environments are running in parallel, and employees are accustomed to accessing their own set of calendars, tasks, and communication channels within these silos. It's natural for IT teams to consider merging these environments into a single cohesive unit. But here's the catch: it's easier said than done. It's a daunting task that demands precision, foresight, and, of course, a tool that's as powerful as it is reliable. Enter BitTitan's MigrationWiz, a tool I've personally used to navigate through various complex migrations. The journey begins with a meticulous planning phase, where everyone's inputs are valuable because nothing worth doing is easy. You need to understand the user base, their permissions, roles, and how they interact with the existing tenant's resources. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring we are methodical. Step 1. Document current setups. We start by documenting what already exists. Understanding the source and target tenants' setups is like going on a road trip without a map. You just hope to reach your destination. You need to know the exact users, groups, sites, OUs, licenses, and content that you are working with. Step 2. Identify the recipients. After documenting the landscape, you must identify all recipients and classify them by roles. This is like setting up carpool lanes. Everyone has a place to ride, and their journey into the target tenant will be smooth. Step 3. Prepare for permissions and group memberships. Grasping the delicacy of permissions, we need to ensure proper transfer of rights. This can be likened to ensuring that all passengers have the right car stickers or tags for a new vehicle, giving them easy access without any permissions nightmares. Step 4. Set up email migration. Emphasizing a careful transfer of emails, we must make sure contacts and threads from the source tenant are not lost. This involves setting policies for copying and moving data, akin to organizing the trunk for essentials and spare items. Step 5. Execute groups migration. We then shift to migrating groups, keeping user groups with the right members intact. It's like ensuring each passenger boards a flight with the correct pass, with members from the source tenant having their new IDs without interruption. Step 06. Address content, contacts, and tasks. In this stage, we have to replicate calendars, contacts, tasks, and so on. It's essential to transfer the personal touches of communication and shared experiences across the board for the destination tenant. Step 6. Migration execution. This is where we bring technology to life, moving data across tenants using BitTitan's MigrationWiz. Painless and efficient, it's like hitting the road with our car already packed. Step 7. Post-migration validation. Finally, we are not done until we make sure that everything is functioning as it should. After the transfer, we drive through user testimonials, ensuring their journey through the tenant migration was, without a doubt, smooth and hassle-free. The impact is remarkable. The merger is not just business, but a successful blend of professional lives, ensuring ongoing collaboration without the tech disruining their daily grind. Remember, always keep communication lines open, for it's the essence of teamwork, not just in the office but in making monumental decisions that shape company futures. Visit neeraj.qzz.io to get the full tutorial on tenant-to-tenant migration with BitTitan on YouTube, where more details and best practices can be found. And if this guide has fueled your enthusiasm to bring companies together in new and impactful ways, don't forget to subscribe to TechLab for the latest strategies in cloud technology and more. Driving towards seamless migrations, let's keep the conversation and the integration moving always.